the summer of love.
So after part 1 video, we will be completing all the rest of the chapter over here. Okay. So in the previous video, we learned about what is computer memory, what are its memory units and how it can be measured. Now today we will start with these topics like the types of computer memory. You already know that there are two types of computer memory. One is primary, one is secondary. So we will know about primary memory, its types, secondary memory, its types, and some question answers. So let's start with it. Are you ready? I hope you all are. Now, primary memory is the main or the working memory of the computer because it is directly accessed by the processor. Whenever there is a work is in line for the processor to be processed, the primary memory processes it through the help of a processor and it completes the work. Now, it is the fastest memory. If you compare it with the secondary memory, this memory works very fast. The processing speed is very fast and it is volatile in nature. Now, please concentrate on this particular word, that is volatile. Now, volatile means the memory is volatile nature, means the memory is active or the work is active as long as the power is on. That means if I take an example of an electric fan, the electric fan will spin or it will move until and unless there is a power cut. Okay. Till there is a power, it will keep on spinning. So when there is a power cut, it will stop moving. In the same way, primary memory holds the contents until and unless there is a power. Suppose you are working something. I'll give you a simple example. Suppose in MS Word, you are writing one poem. So you are creating it, and suddenly the power gets off. But if you don't save it, that entire document will be lost. If you don't save it and the computer gets switched off without backup of the UPS, the total work will be lost. So that is volatile in nature. Volatile memory is those memories which stays active as long as the power is on. So in computer you will see two types of primary memory, that is RAM and second is ROM. Now, RAM is random access memory, ROM is read-only memory. Here further classified into three sections. These are for some advanced learning. These are static RAM, dynamic RAM, magnetoresistive RAM, and for ROM it's programmable read-only memory, erasable programmable read-only memory, and electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. This you will learn in the further classes. So let's get into know about RAM and ROM. Now, RAM, as you can see, this is the picture. It stays in the motherboard of the system unit. अगर आप सिस्टम यूनिट जो आप सीपीयू बोलते हो, सीपीयू नहीं होता है, वो सिस्टम यूनिट होता है. If you open that, you will see this kind of devices plugged into it. So this is randomly accessed by the processor. That's why its name is RAM, randomly accessed memory, and it stores the data of the running programs, and it is a read and write memory. That means it's just like a notebook. You can read from the notebook, you can remove the content, you can write again you can read from it, just like that. And same, this also is volatile in nature. It's a part of a primary memory, so it will be volatile in nature. RAM depends and increases the speed of the computer. The more RAM you have, the more speed you will gain. Like in my laptop, I'm having 4 GB or gigabytes of RAM. So if somebody is having 6 gigabytes of RAM, that computer will work more faster. Now next we have ROM. This kind of devices stays in the motherboard, and ROM, it's non-volatile. Yes, it's part of a primary memory, but it's non-volatile because it stores some data permanently. So whether it doesn't matter whether there's a power on or off, it will continuously execute the same instructions which was inbuilt into it. इसमें जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस जब मैन्युफैक्चर किया बनाया जाता है, तब जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए जाते हैं, ये उन्हीं को ही प्रोसेस करता हुआ जाता है. और कंप्यूटर के बूटिंग में ये बहुत हेल्प करता है. कंप्यूटर जब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं, द स्टार्टअप प्रोसेस ऑफ कंप्यूटर इज कॉल्ड बूटिंग. सो कंप्यूटर के बूटिंग प्रोसेस में ये सारे इंस्ट्रक्शंस यहाँ से रीड किए जाते हैं और ये स्टैटिक होता है, तो इसलिए इसको कोई रिफ्रेश करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. हम कंप्यूटर को ओपन करने के बाद वी कीप ऑन रिफ्रेशिंग इट. We are refreshing the primary memory and specifically the RAM. We don't have to refresh ROM. Okay. So there are two types of primary memory. One is RAM, one is ROM. Now let's know about secondary memory. Now primary memory is the working memory of the computer. All the works are being done in primary memory. So where all the works are being saved. सारे काम सेव कहाँ पे होते हैं? सारे काम सेव होते हैं सेकेंडरी मेमोरी पे. Yes. Now, memory where programs and data are stored on for a long-term basis. Why it is long-term basis? It will stay permanently until and unless you delete it. अगर आप उसको delete नहीं करते हो या किसी वायरस इफेक्टिव वो करप्ट नहीं हो जाता है, वो permanently रह जाता है. It's a non-volatile memory, मतलब पावर जाए या रहे इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. It is having huge capacity, बहुत सारा स्पेस होता है. तो आप हमेशा देखोगे आपके कंप्यूटर की प्राइमरी मेमोरी आपके कंप्यूटर की सेकेंडरी मेमोरी से लो होती है या सेकेंडरी मेमोरी बहुत ज्यादा होती है. बट इट इज हैज अ स्लोअर प्रोसेसिंग स्पीड देन प्राइमरी मेमोरी से ये बहुत स्लो होता है. अंटिल एंड अनलेस मैंने पहले भी कहा है, आई जस्ट रिमाइंडेड यू अगेन, अंटिल एंड unless it is deleted it will stay permanently. Okay, now there are types of secondary memory, that is fixed devices and removable devices. Fixed जो system unit के अंदर होता है, removable जो हम जो portable होता है हम कहीं से ले भी जा सकते हैं और उस पर यूज भी कर सकते हैं. These are the things which stays inside the system unit. ये लैपटॉप्स में, डेस्कटॉप में, सब में ये होता है. And these are removable. CDs, DVDs, pen drive, these are removable. हम इसको कहीं पे भी यूज कर सकते हैं, कहीं पे भी लेके जा सकते हैं. So that's all for this class. These are some questions based on this lesson. Please go through it. If you know the answers, please comment it into the comment section of this video. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. And if you want to share it with your friends, you can do that. Write your valuable comments into the comment section. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification of it. Thank you.